If I scroll down, you can see this video got 22 millions views, and this video 1 lakh views, and this one 4.6 millions, and this one 4.1 millions, this is 10 million, and 5 lakh, and 2 lakh, and 175,000, and 2.8 millions, 4.8 millions, and every single video millions of millions. In this video I'm going to show you how to exactly create this type of video using AI. It's called like Invideo AI, and I am using Gemini AI for creating only YouTube video idea or title. Then I write 10 YouTube video idea or title, change your life, powerful motivational speech, coach pen. I copy this title from a single video like this one. Then I import here. Then this AI tool write for me lots of things. So I copy this one. This will change your life, powerful motivational speech, coach pen. So I copy this one, then going on this Invideo.ai, then click on make explainer videos. How minute long you need to your videos. I select 5 minutes, it's for enough for me. Then paste your title. Then if you want to add relevant informations, you can describe here. So I don't need this one. Then only stock footage because this is free account. Then background music, I write here motivation. Okay, I want to select a female voice. Then select female, any voice. I want to middle age British voice. Okay, this one. Then click on continue. Again click on create video. After few seconds it will be analyzing my data. Then it will be going to the next process. Then you need to select stock media for free account. If you have a paid account, just click on generate generative media, because this is a real time AI creation method. If you look like select this method, this AI tool create instantly image only for you using AI. Then motivational speaker, inspirational, YouTube. Okay, this is good. Then click on continue. You can see it's already working actually right now. It's 11% done already. Analyzing my data. Okay, I'm waiting a few minutes. Okay, this process are done. I need to check this video okay or not okay.
The only person you're destined to become is the person you decide to be. Ralph Waldo Emerson. These words hold a profound truth. They remind us that our destiny is not set in stone. Those words are powerful. They are a reminder that you are in control.
Okay, now click on edit button. Then you can check everything and anything. Then you are recorrection here, music, script and setting, voice over high and low, and SFX master volume. Then if you have found any mistake, any recorrection need here, you can doing anything and everything. Okay, I don't need anything. Just click on download button. Then this is a free account. Then I select stock watermark, then normal, then 180 pixel. Then click on continue. Okay, it's already downloading. Start right now. So you can see this is the method how you can create a AI motivation video for YouTube. It's called like this type of video. So if you found this video helpful for you, make sure like and subscribe this channel. See you again. Take care. Goodbye.
The only person you're destined to become is the person you decide to be. Ralph Waldo Emerson. These words hold a profound truth. They remind us that our destiny is not set in stone. Those words are powerful. They are a reminder that you are in control. Every day, you have the opportunity to make choices that shape your future. You have the power within you to shape your life. It's about taking small steps, making consistent efforts, and believing in yourself. Don't let anyone tell you differently. The opinions of others do not define your worth or your potential. You are capable of amazing things. We all have dreams. We all have aspirations. These dreams are the seeds of our future, but sometimes life gets in the way. Challenges and obstacles can make us feel like giving up. Fear, doubt, and uncertainty can cloud our vision. They can make us question our abilities and our path. But I'm here to tell you, you don't have to stay stuck. You can overcome these barriers. You can break free and create the life you've always wanted. It requires courage and determination. It starts with a decision to take control of your life and your future, a decision to change, to grow, to become the best version of yourself. It won't be easy. Growth never is. There will be challenges along the way. You will face setbacks and difficulties, but trust me, it will be worth it. The journey of self-discovery and personal growth is the most rewarding path you can take.